I'm talking to the woman who's been carrying everything and everyone. The one that's emotionally exhausted, mentally stretched, and still trying to rule her life quietly. These 8 things were holding me hostage. And if you're honest, they're probably holding you too. Thing 1. I quit surviving on one paycheck. I stopped pretending that one paycheck was enough. It was keeping me anxious, under pressure, and scared what the next email from work would be. Now I'm building multiple streams, small, quiet, manageable ones. That gives me options. Thing 2. I quit ignoring my numbers. I used to hate checking my bank account till payday. Now I check my numbers calmly, not emotionally. Financial clarity is financial self-care. And once I got my bare minimum budget under control and cut out some of those subscriptions I had, it made life a lot easier. Thing number 3, I quit overgiving my time. You heard me. I stopped saying yes to everything and everyone. If it drained my peace, it doesn't get my time. Boundaries are not rude. They're survival. Anyone who can't respect your boundaries doesn't deserve your time. And seeing how much of my time I was giving to others instead of working on things for me was a real opener. Thing number 4, I quit waiting to feel ready. Being ready is a complete myth. You will only get clarity with the thing that you're pursuing by actually putting it to practice and moving on. So I started to make my plan and take steps even when I felt scared. Thing number 5, I quit thinking I needed more energy to start. I can't tell you how many years I said, once I'm less tired, I'll start. But being a woman over the age of 35, raising a toddler and other children, maybe I'm always tired. So I started to build things that I can do now with my current low energy level. And then when I have high energy level days, I do even more. Thing number 6, I quit shrinking myself. I stopped dimming my ideas because I didn't want people to think I was trying to do too much. Quiet success is still success. And 9 times out of 10, the family members and friends that think you're cringy are just jealous that you're stepping out on faith. Let's be honest, 9 times out of 10, they want to be in your shoes anyway. And saying you succeed is probably not even on that bingo card. So sis, take up as much space as you need. Pursue any dream that you want. Always remember to leave your mark that you want to leave on the world, not someone else's. Thing number 7, I quit letting my job define me. And not only my job, but also my title as a wife and a mother. My job is something that I have, not who I am. A wife and a mother are something that I am, but not my only layer. When you tie your identity to one thing, you give it all the power over your peace. Learning how to rediscover your passion gives you a newfound purpose. And lastly, thing number, I quit delaying the life that I wanted. I stopped pushing everything to next month or saying when things calm down. Because honestly, when does life really calm down? You have to learn to create your own calm. And if 2025 taught us anything, you have to go for the life that you want. Real talk, these 8 things changed everything for me. Not because my life got magically easier, but because I started to choose myself. Let me know in the comments which one of these you're quitting before 2026. And if you need help figuring out where to start, try my AI assistant. It's called Jess Income Garden, and she will build you a personalized plan based on your strengths and your real life. And remember, it's never too late to start over. I'm an everyday work from home mama just like you. And there's no reason why you can't have the peace that you deserve. It's not about chasing virality for me. It's about building sustainable, calm income. That way I can have financial security for me and my family, as well as not being in one box as a creator. And that's why I show you my multifaceted life. I don't just sit behind a desk all day. I'm a real wife and mother with real life issues. And at the end of the day, I want all of us to win. So thanks for spending the morning with me, and get started on your income stacking journey today. Check the pinned comment below this video for resources. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment. I remember all the problems I had when I first started, and I'm here to help you. And don't forget to join me December 1st, 2025 for our Savage 90 Challenge. That's where we're going to be working to replace our current income in 90 days. And I will be showing you all of my income streams and how I stack them. If you have not created your emergency income plan, I'm going to link that video to this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.